tools or technologies are you currently using for AI?
So that's a very interesting question. So everywhere I go to a forum, people ask this. So I would like to break this AI journey of ours into 3 different domains. So one being the productivity, the other being security, which is my domain, and third is the decision making. So when it comes to productivity, typically we have empowered employees with using co-pilots. So we use GitHub co-pilots, we use Windsurfs, and there are a couple of other LLM models like ChatGPT and Claude. So all of this is something what we have empowered all the tech teams and the developer teams. So currently it is helping them to code faster, generate documentation, and also help in building a knowledge base, right? In fact, we have also started using in-house offline models such as RAG, retrieval augmented generation, wherein we embed that with a internal vector database such as ChromeDB, which helps us store all the company related internal data, wherein it becomes very easy for AI to fetch responses to the questions what employee posts directly from the internal model, rather than relying on a public AI based systems and LLM models. So this is something that has helped leap the knowledge transfer to the next leap. The second part is security, right? From a security standpoint, the role of AI is getting bigger and bigger. We have started experimenting AI with identifying more of an anomaly-based detection for, say, compliance requirements, fraud detections, transactions, fraudulent transactions, any kind of an suspicious user activity or a user behavior. Absolutely. So these are areas where we are focusing. In fact, one of the interesting projects what we are currently building is kind of enabling an AI-based data classification application. So it's kind of a multi-use where we are trying to scan every email that is going out of the organization to check for any sensitive data or not. Again, this model is something what we build with the help of regex patterns from various different country, PI documents, value-based ones, column name-based ones, keyword-based. So it kind of becomes more accurate. We started training it with our internal models, whitelisting name-specific sensitive data, and then whitelisting certain data which is wrongly classified. This model helps detect any email which an employee tries sending containing sensitive data from going out. And again, we use this model to identify all the data, integrating it with the database to identify all the sensitive data, identify what are the data retention period for which the data has been there, and whether it is violating any of GDPR or other compliance, how to convert it into a ROPA, a record of processing activity kind of a report. Now, trust me, when I say all of this, the first part of validating the email and ensuring that none of the sensitive email is going out is something that is today in the market. We have a lot of tools such as DSPM tools, SASE tools like Zscaler, which provide inline DLP or CASP kind of a solution, which is a multi-million-dollar solution. Now, again, when I talk about database integration, identifying the data retention requirements, classifying the data and all of those, we have tools such as Privacy by Design like BigID and a couple of other tools wherein it's pretty expensive. Now, look at how many $1 million we are saving by the use of such local models and AI, wherein we are using one model and we are integrating it for multiple use cases. So that is something that is predominantly what we are working in from a security standpoint. The third one is decision making. So when it comes to decision making, what we are trying to today, the kind of insights what AI surfaces and gives to the leadership team is something that cannot be, can never be matched to what the traditional systems were giving. So because of which the decisions are not only made faster, but the decisions are also being made in a very better way. So leadership is taking a very confident and a better decision because of the use of such AI, because it's giving more insights, it's surfacing more insights and more accurately, and people are able to inspect deeper patterns which otherwise they would not have identified. So that is the third part when it comes to decision making. But finally, with one philosophy, what I would like to end this question is, no matter what tools we use, right? So it's how effectively we use. We should not, so generally people tend to go behind all the shiny objects, but it's very important that you use AI effectively for the workflows or the automations, whatever you are implementing, So three different things, three different aspects what we always keep in mind is AI, or be it any technology, should be only to augment people and not to replace them. And by adoption of this AI or any other technology for that matter, is my employee getting better? Is he feeling secured? Is he efficient? Is he able to be innovative? So these are the four parameters what we always keep in mind, and all of our decisions so far has been based on these questions of whether it kind of ticks all of these. So that way I feel like this is how our AI journey has been, and we've been exploring it to a greater extent.
Yes, that is so impressive. Like AI is the future. Everywhere there's AI. So the use of AI, it helps us to remove the errors as well, and remove apart the sensitive error before sending a mail, as you said earlier. So yes, AI is the most important part. In every organization should use it. Like the hackers also can be deducted, the fraud and errors, everything.
Yeah.
So yes, AI is the future. How can companies help their employees to get a better future with AI?
So the most important thing what companies should do to ensure that the AI adoption is successful among people is to treat it less like a technology project and more like a people and cultural journey.
Yes.
So when I always speak about this in forums, a couple of few cents what I give about the AI adoption is, first is education and awareness. So every organization should give AI's basic trainings as well as hands-on workshops for employees to understand and experiment with AI, make mistake and learn out of it. So the moment you give that empowerment, employee will feel AI as a tool with which they can play with rather than something that's imposed on them. And when they feel this, the adoption becomes easier. The second part is how skilling and upskilling, right? So today you are part of an organization. AI, you cannot say or deny that AI is playing a role in every department. Whether you are a human resource person, whether you are a finance person, or whether you are a security guy or you are a marketing guy, all the functions are touched by AI, right? So organization has, or the leadership has to communicate to people that AI is something that can be used effectively in your area. It is relevant to your area. So that is possible only when they give them the basic support and training for them.
You need to use their brains as well.
So then they will start looking at AI is something that will enhance their work, not something that will block. Now the third most important is mindset and trust. So most of the people feel there is a deep fear among people that AI will replace their jobs, they will become jobless. So it is very important for organization to ensure that they have to communicate clearly that AI is just to augment them, not to replace them. AI is going to help them reduce their work and focus on more challenging strategic initiatives. So that is something what their companies will have to do it, right? And the fourth one is culture of experimentation. So you have companies will have to give trainings to all the employees. So how they can plan it organically.
How to use AI.
So like non-technical staffs can be given training on prompt engineering kind of courses. People who are going to adopt AI in their workflow can be given specialized trainings and good documentations around it. So this way, everybody will know how AI works and what it is going to solve. Then they will start using it. They will not think this as something that will fade away over a period of time or a technology buzzword, rather something that's going to be the future, right? So to sum it up, what is important is AI adoption will be successful once organizations ensure that they upskill and provide the appropriate trainings for the employees to upskill their AI awareness and the AI usage. The second aspect is there should be an environment of trust, security that should be created among employees, that their job will be safe and they can start using AI to enhance their work and to make their work simple and to scale it. So I think these two are the factors that will ensure that people will start adopting AI and AI will be extremely successful in your organization.
Yes, exactly. The organization should make sure that the employees are feeling secure while using AI to enhance ability, as well as they should not feel that they can be replaced if they use the full use of the AI. So AI only making the work easier and moving faster in the organization by new techniques and the technical smart work, you can say, not just a hard work. Hard works go like hand on hand, like human collaboration with AI they both go hand in hand, like human also playing their part with using AI. So the employees are not getting replaced and we get a better future to the companies.
Yeah. Thank you for taking time out and coming here. So guys, we are doing this in Mumbai, and I just came here for a conference, and she reached out. She said people need to know about AI. So that's how I think CAC is taking an initiative to spread such a knowledge and subject matter expertise to all the folks.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.